Every facet of the Recon 1's construction, from their AUS 8A blades to their G10 handles to their state-of-the-art Ultra Lock, have been over-engineered so you can use them in the field with complete confidence. They are available in clip, tanto, and spear point styles and feature razor-sharp 4-inch blades.
Here's something I get to cut all the time, a horse's lead rope. Horses, when you tie them up, frequently get tangled and they fall down, and when they get wrapped up in this stuff, it's a nightmare. Somebody's going to get hurt, your horse is going to get hurt. This is when you have to have a razor sharp knife. Goes through this thick rope like butter. I don't care what kind of webbing or canvas or rope or plastic, almost anything you have, this knife will go through it. Almost nothing is a match for the Recon 1.
Here I have our Recon 1. This has the strongest locking mechanism we manufacture. And I have this young man that weighs 160 pounds. I'm going to swing across all these knives. As you can see, every one of the locking mechanisms is functional. Let's see what knife you would trust your fingers with. So all you young men and women out there in the service, next time you go to buy a folding knife, look for one that you can really trust. Buy a Recon 1.